Hi, I'm Amy with Trop Analytics, and I'm here to show you how to do technical and smart home projects around your home. Today, I'm going to show you how to install electrical landscape lights that light up your house from the outside. I chose these lights because individually the lights cost about $20 a piece, but in this particular kit I get 6 lights, the transformer, which you plug into your outdoor outlet, and 50 feet of landscape wire for about $100. I purchased the second kit, which includes 4 path lights, 2 more spotlights, another 50 feet of landscape wire, and an additional transformer for also around $100. In addition, I picked up a couple of path lights and another 100 feet of landscape wire in case I want to spread things out more in the backyard. And I'll also be able to add additional lights to this if I decide to do that. All right, let's take a closer look at one of the spotlights. Now we've got our spotlight here. This is the spike that we will put into the ground all the way up to this ledge. We've got the part that actually plugs in to the landscape wire. So if you unscrew this, you'll see 2 prongs, and these prongs are what will tap into this landscape wire at wherever on this landscape wire that you want to put it. So you'll thread it through this cap, and this holds it in place. And then once you decide where you want this, you screw this piece on, and these 2 prongs will actually pierce the landscape wire and create the electrical connection needed to light up this spotlight. So let's take a closer look at the transformer. Now this is what we will plug in to our outdoor outlet to provide the electrical source for our landscape lights. Now this is already wired to be plugged in, so that's nice. We've got a couple of things on here. Here's the settings, and there's a photo cell here which will detect whether or not it's dusk or dawn, which will trigger the lights turning on automatically. On the back, this is where we will mount it to the outside of the house near the outlet. And here are the 2 screws that we use to actually wire the transformer to the electrical wire that the lights will be hooked up to. So I'll be stripping these off and screwing them onto here so that we can have electricity to our lights. Now let's take everything outside and begin the installation process.